Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn about some basic HTML for the web page. Before making basic web page, let's know about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It consists of elements which tell browser how to display the contents. And these elements are called tags. Basically, they are surrounded by angle brackets. HTML tags are written in pairs which have start tag and end tag. So let's see an example of HTML file code. Here, duck tag declaration represents the document type and helps the browser to display the web page correctly. Everything you want to show on HTML should be inside this HTML tag. Head tag. Anything inside the head tag is never displayed in the browser, but it contains the titles and meta description of the web page. Our last element is body tag, which contains the visible page content like text, image, videos, etc. Let's create our web page example. First, create one text file and copy this code into that file. Or type anything you want to show inside the body tag. Then change the extension of file from .txt to the .html. Now if you open the file from Google Chrome, you will see your sentence on the browser. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.